purchase. Already we are discussing about so many times that is it is very important to any industry, that may be manufacturing or service industry or any other industry. The material management is the topmost agenda. If you are properly managing the materials, then the business can be executed properly. So, in the materials management, the purchase management is one of the important part. A store management, how a purchase manager or a inventory manager or a store manager is functioning in an organization. So, the purchase meaning and definition of purchase management. Purchasing is the first phase of material management. Purchasing means procurement of goods and service from external agencies. The object of purchase department is to arrange the supply of material, spare parts, services, or semi-finished goods required by the organization to produce the desired product. If you want to make a product in an organization, desired product, you have to make a purchase from various external agencies and you have to receive the materials required by the organization to produce the desired product for some agency or source outside the organization. The purchased item should be of specified quality in desired quantity, available at the prescribed time at a competitive price. This is the very important aspect of purchase manager. What they are saying is specified quality, desired quantity, and prescribed time at competitive price. இந்த நாளும் இருந்து purchase பண்ணாதான் that is called original purchase manager. What is that? The purchase item should be specified quality. You should specify this is the quality and desired quantity. How many number of products are required? Desired quantity and prescribed time. At what time that product will reach? At what is the competitive price? நீங்க நாளைக்கு ஒரு பர்ச்சேஸ் மேனேஜராவோ இன்வென்டரி மேனேஜராவோ ஆர் ஸ்டோர் மேனேஜராவோ ஒரு ஆர்கனைசேஷன்ல ஒர்க் பண்ணும்போது யூ சுட் டிசைட் டிசையர்டு குவான்டிட்டி. டிசைடுன்னு சொல்லலாம், வேற வார்த்தையும் சொல்லலாம், யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். ஸ்பெசிஃபைடு குவாலிட்டி, டிசையர்டு குவான்டிட்டி, பிரிஸ்கிரைப்டு டைம் அண்ட் காம்படிட்டிவ் பிரைஸ். அப்படிதான் ப்ராடக்டை வாங்கணும். In other words, Alford and Batty prescribing purchasing is the procurement of materials, supplies, machines, tools, and services required for equipment, maintenance, and operation of a manufacturing plant. என்ன இது இவ்வளவு சத்தம் போட்டுட்டே இருக்காங்க? Right, it is so much disturbances are there. Desired quantity, that is specified quantity or desired quality, prescribed time and competitive price. அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து ஒரு definition. The other definition is purchasing is a procuring of materials, supplies, machines, tools and services required for equipment, maintenance and operation of manufacturing plant. The purchasing is an operation of a market exploration. These are different definition for purchase management. Market exploration to procure goods and services of desired quality, quantity at lowest price at the desired time. Supplier who can provide standard time at the competitive price are selected. Purchasing is an enterprise has now become a specified function. It was experienced that by giving the purchase responsibility to a specialist, the firm can obtain greater economics in purchase. Moreover, purchasing involves more than 50% of capital expenditure budgeted by the firm. இதை பத்தி நான் நிறைய சொல்லணும். இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஆஃப் பர்ச்சேஸ் எவ்ரிதிங். பிகாஸ் 6th ஆறாம் தேதி உங்களுக்கு எக்ஸாம் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது இல்லையா, ரைட்? Anybody knows the date?
9th sir, 9th or 12th. I think 12th.
So I want to stop here now because in the third unit there will be a problem till the